Have you ever thought about starting a dropshipping business but weren't sure if it's worth it? My husband and I went head first into dropshipping, trying 5 different stores, spending countless hours researching products, vendors, and tools. And guess what? We only managed to get 2 sales from 2 different stores. So today, I'm going to share our honest story, the mistakes we've made, and how we would have done it differently if we were starting over. So if you're thinking about drop shipping, this video could save you months of frustration. I'll be sharing the most up-to-date strategies that actually work in today's market, along with practical advice on how to avoid the costly mistakes we made. So if you're serious about drop shipping, then let's get into it. Let's rewind to when my husband and I first started drop shipping. Like so many others, we were excited by the idea of running an online business without needing to hold on any inventory. We set up 5 stores, y'all. 5 stores, thinking at least one of them would take off. We invested hours researching products and using tools like Oberlo and AliExpress to find the best-selling items and meticulously setting up our Shopify stores. I hope I pronounced that right. Oberlo. Yes, Oberlo. But here's the hard truth. Despite all our efforts, we only got 2 sales. That's right, 2 sales out of 5 of the stores that we set up. And let me tell you, it wasn't from a lack of trying. We spent hours tweaking our website, writing product descriptions, and also researching keywords and even testing Facebook ads. So here's what went wrong. The first thing was long shipping times. One of the biggest issues we faced was the painfully long shipping times from suppliers overseas. Customers don't like to wait 30 days for their products to arrive. This led to frustrated customers and even refund requests. Number 2 was the inconsistent product quality. We tried to vet our suppliers, but since we never physically handled the actual product, we had no control over the quality. We received complaints about items not matching the product descriptions or images, and that really hurt our reputation. The third thing was high competition and low margins. Everyone is selling the same popular products, which drove prices down and ate into our profit margins. It was a constant race to the bottom, especially with cheaper suppliers coming in with lower prices. So here's the key takeaway. So if you're going into drop shipping thinking it's a get-rich-quick scheme, I'm here to tell you it's not. It requires time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. But if we were to start over today, here's exactly what we would do differently. So here's the correct way to approach drop shipping. Number 1, you want to focus on a niche with less competition. So instead of selling generic products that everyone else is selling, focus on a niche with less competition. For example, instead of just selling phone cases, niche down to eco-friendly phone cases or phone cases for athletes. This helps you to stand out and attract a specific audience. 2, use US-based or fast shipping suppliers. One of the biggest game changers is using suppliers who offer faster shipping, ideally within the country you're selling to. So you want to consider platforms like Spocket or Zendrop, which connects you with suppliers offering 2 to 5 day shipping. This helps avoid the long wait times and improve customer satisfaction. 3, leverage branded shipping. If we were to start over, we would focus on creating a brand rather than just a store. This means investing in custom packaging, personalized thank you notes, and building a social media presence around the brand. Branded drop shipping not only increases customer trust, but it also allows you to charge a premium price. Sounds good, huh? Hey, if you enjoyed this video so far, learned 2 new things, or feel super encouraged, then I suggest you hit that subscribe button. It's a way of rewarding me. Okay, no, but it tells YouTube that you enjoyed this video and it pushes it out to more people who would benefit from this content. So without further ado, let's get back into the video. 4. Utilize AI-powered tools for product research. Use tools like Sell the Trend and Niche Scraper, one of my fave actually, to find trending products that are gaining momentum. AI can help analyze market trends and find products that are more likely to sell. And then 5, focus on paid ads and influencer marketing. Instead of relying solely on Facebook ads like we did, consider diversifying your marketing strategy. Platforms like TikTok ads, Google Shopping, and collaborate with influencers on Instagram to reach a wider audience. So now you want to take actionable steps to start drop shipping. So let's get into that part. So here's how to get started the right way. The first thing you want to do is find a reliable supplier. Don't just go with the cheapest supplier on AliExpress. No, do not do that. Look for suppliers with a proven track record, preferably those with faster shipping times and higher quality products. Platforms like CJ Dropshipping and Spocket are great for this, so give them a try. Number 2, you want to validate your products before launching. Before you start running ads, validate your products by using Google Trends, competitor analysis, and checking customer reviews. Ensure there's real demand for the product and that it solves a problem, because that's all business is about. It's about solving problems. Step 3, you want to build a professional, trustworthy website. That is super important. So you want to focus on store's design and user experience. So make sure that you have a clear call to action, a mobile-friendly layout, and a professional logo. Also, don't underestimate the power of adding social proof, such as customer reviews and trust badges. This really helps customers to trust you. And step 4, you want to invest in marketing. Set aside a budget for marketing, especially for paid ads. Start with a small budget on a platform like TikTok or Google Shopping to test which ads convert best. Once you found a winning ad, then scale up. Step 5, you want to focus on customer retention. Drop shipping isn't just about that first scale. It's about turning customers into repeat buyers. Use email marketing, loyalty programs, and personalized follow-ups to keep your customers engaged. So here's the realities of drop shipping. So drop shipping isn't just easy as everyone makes it out to be. And here's why. 1, it's not a passive income stream. So despite what you may have heard, drop shipping is not a set it and forget it. It's a business model. You'll be dealing with customer service, product issues, and marketing constantly. The next thing is, it requires continuous learning and adapting. The e-commerce landscape is always changing. What works last year may not work today. This is why you need to stay on top of industry trends, new tools, and marketing strategies. So if you're willing to put in the effort, drop shipping can still be a profitable venture. But don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Focus on building a brand, providing real value to your customers, and continuously improving. That's how you turn a dropshipping store into a sustainable business. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your dropshipping questions in the comments below. I'd love to answer them in future videos. And remember, success is a journey, not a sprint. So keep pushing forward and don't give up. Watch this next video on how to build a successful e-commerce brand.